With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a non-zero external force on a system of particle acts. The velocity and the acceleration of the center of mass are found to be this and this at an instant t. It is possible that. So you have to check the possibility. If I talk about the external force, right? External force. So the center of mass acceleration is simply F external by total mass. Very simple. So it is given that external force, non-zero external force acts on the system, right? So this will be non-zero since there is an external force. So this option and this option is incorrect since the center of mass acceleration will not be equals to zero. But the center of mass velocity can be zero at some instant because nothing is said about the velocity, so it can be zero or non-zero. So B and D option will be the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.